Hey guys, today we're going to be replacing the Dragink bushings on this 2004 yard machine by MTD. I'll take you underneath there and show you what's going on. Yeah, it's a pretty hard angle to get here, but here's the control arm, and right up here, where it connects to the steering sector, it's loose. Let me see if I can, yeah, it's pretty worn out. The part number it's an MTD part number 941, come on, focus, 9410475. It's a ½ inch. I'll try to, yeah, this is going to be tricky without a tripod. I'll pop this off and be right back. Okay, I got it loose now. I'm just going to take it down. Yeah, it just falls off there. And then this comes out, just pops out. Oh, it should. Of course, it's not going to do it now. Yeah. Okay, I got it out. Here's a little comparison between the new one and the old one. This is the old one. Really worn. It's worn through right there. There's metal on metal. That's not a good thing. Here's the new one. It looks a little different, but it fits in there good. Nice and tight. Let's go put the new one in. Alright, got the new bushing here. Just kind of pop it in there. Of course, it's going to be tricky. There it goes. And then back up here. Oops. Back up here. And put the nut on and do the next one exactly like that, and should be good to mow. Alright guys, till next time.